Okay, a new project. Old one though, very old. So it's a 72 Sportster, complete motor rebuild, and put a whole bike together. Bike's all the way to bare frame. And I got a month or so to get it done. So I've been digging up all my missing parts, and this is all I found so far. I'm scouring the shop here looking for all the pieces for it. So I'm missing a few. This is all I could find. So we'll do some more looking tomorrow. Got other places to look. Alright, so let's see what we actually have here, because we don't really know. Here's the big part I need. Set of cases. A very important part of the bike. You need cases. Paper from Kibble for some reason. Yeah. So this is all stuff from the move when I moved 3-4 years back. I think I put in boxes. Hopefully everything is back where we need it. That's what we don't know. But whatever's missing we'll come up with. Okay, so these cases I repaired a long time ago. This bike's literally been here for over 10 years, easily. So I had to wheel up this whole counter shaft over here and recut all of that up in there. I had to make all the tooling to do it. And make it better than stock. And I had to machine the case and get them all flattened out and do all that. So all that heavy machining should be done. I also had to get a trap door and match a trap door to the case. So I did that too. Hopefully this is the one that goes with it. You never know in a move, things get mixed up. So these should be good to go. Let's see. Okay, couldn't find those. Here's another set of rods. I know I got 3 different motors and pieces. Here's mine and probably another one of mine. They're all mixed up. I know that for a fact. What do we got in here? Okay, here's some new parts and pieces. New pistons. Looks like they're 50 over. Ringy dingies. Couple sets of rings. Gas tank mounts and rubbers. And another deal. Sprocket. Just odds and ends. Ignition switch holder. Set of spring. Clutch. Another sprocket. I like that one. Breather, that's good. Main bearing for yeah, something else. It's like something out of an Ultima motor. Bunch of instructions. Part numbers to charge accordingly. Okay. So we'll go ahead and put the Kibble White instructions in there too. I'll keep the scrub pad. It's always handy. Alright, so that's going to be a box for paperwork. That's another job. Ooh. Now it's getting interesting. Make sure all the bags are empty. Need to be throwing away anything important. Spoke sets when we did the wheels. Those are already up on YouTube. Here's some motor parts in here, miscellaneous. Probably gonna need all that. Motor mount. Another motor mount, in case you didn't like that motor mount. One of those will work. Shifting mechanisms. In case you don't like that, we have another one. Kicker rubber. Another clutch spring. I told you there's multiple trim motors in here. Another trapdoor assembly with a gear. It's probably my bike here. We'll figure it out. More than one bike and pieces here. Ooh. Triple white valve springs, or not triple, Sifton valve springs. Those have been non-existent for 30 years. And brand new valves. And cast iron lifter blocks. I'm pretty sure nothing in this box came from this shop. This looks like my stuff. So we'll put this stuff back into this box. But if we need some more parts, we know where they're at. Pretty sure one of these is going to go in that bike right there. Not sure which one. Compensator style sprocket. He can have that. I didn't get a wrap out on that part. Another gear, in case the other one, I guess that one is good, I guess. It's left to the clutch assembly, he can have that. Freshly polished rocker boxes. He might be getting these back. Of course, he's got someone else's name on it, you can see. Okay. So that does not go with it. That probably doesn't go with it. Okay, this box is going to go back, well, if needed. But if not needed, he ain't getting it. Another set of rocker boxes. These are probably his. These are freshly polished. The other ones were not. So, not a show polish. They didn't underneath. They just did the parts to see. And stuff you didn't see in here. So these are really nice. We will leave those packed up so we don't lose them. Don't scratch them. So those are good. This one here. Appears to be the matching cam cover. Freshly polished again. So I'm going to say that probably goes with the project. Keep that packed up. Oh, that's heavy. Third set of clutch springs. This one's stock though. another compensator assembly. So if we don't like this one, there's another one right there. Another rocker box. Pictures, cams, all kinds of stuff. Motor mounts. Yeah. See, there's a chrome rocker box. I think this might be a third motor. But we might need all these parts. So we might be using all these. This goes over there in the maybe pile. This one here was a mixture of stuff. Of course, you have a shovel intake valve mixed in there, just to make sure we got good parts in here. Good with that one. This one's marked junk parts. Right on it. So this looks like another motor. This is all the good stuff here. Junk parts, my ass. This is stuff we need. Oh yeah. Probably multiple motors in here, I bet. That's okay. After this many years, I don't care. It just has to go together. This is like a usable shaft. So we use that. Cam set. P-cams. Those are usable. Primary chain. We might go with a new one on that. It's one of those things I like to replace all the time. So there's cams in there, main shaft. Ooh. Front end parts for fork boots. That's his stuff. I think this is his. Because he has those fork boots. I'm guessing that for sure is his. This one over here, I'm not sure. There's a lot of parts in here though. Obviously we have a solid sprocket now, so another set of rods. This one looks usable, so I'll probably use this set for him. Oil pump, 72, so that's definitely the right year. Mixer blocks, rocker arms. Looks like all the important stuff I need. A good shaft. Well, it was a good one. That was a new bearing. Might go with a new bearing. My bike I'd use it, but you know, you're doing custom, you can't cheat like that. That was a new part. So that is like a brand new shaft. That's a brand new bearing. That is a brand new bearing. It's got no miles on it. So that means it came out of one of my bikes, because I had a motor I bought that was a brand new rebuild, but it had a blown up tranny. Held together a JB weld. So that's probably my stuff there. This I'm pretty sure is his stuff. So like I said, we'll make a motor out of all of that. Okay, this is the last box. There's his flywheels. These have already been balanced. I'll check it to make sure I like it. I'm pretty sure I probably did it. This is how I do it. This is my work here. This is not. Here's another oil pump. It's been painted. Yeah, this has all been painted, but needs to be re-blasted because it's got rusty. Another clutch deal. And we don't know what's in that. Okay, so this box we don't care about. Here's the other set of rods here. Those races look like they're in pretty good condition. Looks like they've been freshly honed, so this might be the set I rebuilt to go with that crank. These were with the motor, so they were probably supposed to go with it. This is stuff I worked on, but it's been sitting for so many years, it's rusted even in the box. 57 wheels, right here, 57. 72 is the last year of the old style washer, but this looks like they are brass instead of steel. This has been modified for clearance. Okay, so it looks like we got the makings of a crank. What's in here? A couple of cams. P. Looks usable for now. Parts. It goes over in that pile in there. Okay, so a lot of parts here, a lot of missing. There's no top end here. The heads and cylinders are not here. Definitely gotta go find those. It looks like most of the lower end stuff is here with all of these parts, and maybe most of the transmission. I don't know. I don't see a lot of tranny stuff. There might be some more. I'm thinking there's some tranny stuff. There's a tranny. There's some tranny gears, countershaft. There's more tranny in this box. So I probably got most of the transmission also. Alright, there you go. Do-it-yourself kit. So I gotta take all this stuff out, clean everything, pick out the stuff I want to use, and then put it together. That's what we got to do here. So, alright, I gotta go hunting for some more parts because we are missing more parts. I know there's a box with the primary cover in it for sure. And I think it has a cam cover in that box too. I don't remember. And we definitely got heads and cylinders we're missing. We do, looks like we have the rocker box stuff to make the rocker boxes. So we're good on that. And this one over here is my box of stuff. So that's the other things. Pretty sure it's my box. There's nothing else in here. I went through all that. So, because that was all full of other parts. Alright, so we got to go hunting for some more parts. Parts and pieces. We'll figure out where all the stuff's at and make a motor around it. Alright. This will be a tomorrow project. It's late tonight. Okay, that's it for now for this one.